Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for, this would be September the 16th through the 22nd. So as usual, I have gone to the bank and I took out my cash and I have my cash envelopes here. So let's go ahead and count this money so that you guys know how much I am stuffing this week. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. So 260. And then I've got 2 10s, 280, and 1 5. So $285. So let's just start with what I have on the top. These aren't in any particular order. The first is personal spending, and I do have $20 left. I spent 20, and I don't remember where I spent it, but I am going to add 20 today. And so let me tell you, I was able to fix my printer, the one where I print out my stickers, and I feel so silly because I looked online and looked up the error code after I had already bought stickers from other shops and already changed my budget to increase my spending, and it was so easy. I just had to like unplug it, plug it back in, and then clean the printer head, and that was it. I'm hoping that it continues to work because I love my printer, but that's why I ended up spending a little bit of money out of here instead of letting it accumulate. I don't even remember what I spent it on, which is really sad. Next, we have groceries. So I budgeted $200 from this paycheck, and I'm going to put $100 for the week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And the price of groceries is just crazy high. I don't have anything left in the envelope. I spent $100 on things from Walmart, and it didn't even seem like I really got anything. It's just been terrible. And I mentioned in a previous video, like a 5-pound bag of gold potatoes, which is my personal favorite. It was $3.98, and now that same bag of potatoes is $7.98. Crazy. So groceries have gone up, and although I love to challenge myself to spend less because I'm also eating healthier, it costs more. So, but I have good news. So I started working out and doing DDP yoga, and I changed my eating habits right at a month ago. And I started out at 240 pounds, and I am down to 222. So 18 pounds is what I lost in a month, which I think that is really good. And I'm not doing any crazy diet. I'm just counting calories and paying somewhat of attention to the macros. And I'm just using my Fitness Pal. I'm not using anything special, but just to give you an idea of what I ate today, which this is kind of typical for me. In the morning, I have 2 cups of coffee with creamer, and that is, I think, 160 calories. So let me back up and say I'm doing 6 meals at 200 calories each. So coffee is meal number 1. Meal number 2, I had a half a cup of oats with a third of a cup of blueberry pie filling. And I just put water in it and 2 pumps of my Jordan's vanilla skinny syrup that I put in my coffee to make it a little sweeter and give it a vanilla flavor. And that was right at 200 calories. And then meal number 3, I had a half a cup of jasmine rice with 2 ounces of chicken. Meal number 4, I had 1 large egg and I scrambled it and put the scrambled eggs into a carb balanced tortilla. So that was right at 200 calories. And I haven't had meal number 5 yet. I'm a little past due, so I'm getting a little hungry. But so for meal number 5, I can do another 2 ounces of chicken and another half a cup of rice, because I did cook some rice earlier in my little rice cooker. And then meal number 6, I'll probably do a bag of popcorn. So more like a snack. But it's been working for me really well. And I haven't been hungry eating 6 like small meals during the day. And so I was doing salads too, which if I wanted to do a salad, that would be really easy to, you know, keep it under 200 calories for one meal. Anyway, I was really proud of myself for doing that. I've worked really hard. And then I'm also, I don't want to make too much noise, but I'm also going to start this challenge in addition to doing the DDP yoga program. I feel like this is something really easy that I can do at the end of the day, whereas I like to do the yoga workouts at like 5 in the morning. And so this is like a 30-day challenge, but I'm hoping that once I get to day 30, that I can just continue to do the day 30, you know, challenge amount going forward. And I'm hoping this will help me tone up a little bit more. Anyway, enough about weight loss and all that kind of good stuff. Next is gas for my car, and I budgeted $20 this check. And so for the week, it'll be $10. And I don't have anything in this envelope right now. And gas prices are down here. I'm in Central Arkansas, and gas is, I think the lowest, Carol Ann said she saw it was like $2.82. The lowest I saw it was at like $2.98. And I have I think it's like a 12-gallon gas tank. So to fill up my tank is around between $30 and $35 at this price, give or take, you know, a little bit. So definitely $10 a week is enough, because I really only need to fill up once a month. Okay. Next is lawn care, and lawn care is going to get $75. So 20, 40, 60, 75. And I'm hoping that he'll come next weekend, because we had some rain and the grass started growing again. So that's lawn care. And then last is, and certainly not least, is my daughter Carol Ann. I give her $80 per week, and she uses that for putting gas in her car. I think it takes around, I don't know, I think she said it took like $40 to fill up her tank. So it is a lot less than it was, because I want to say it was taking like $60, which is crazy. But she said it's a lot less now, so it gives her a little bit more spending money. So 20, 40, 60, 80, because I had 160 budgeted for her. And if you're new, my daughter is in grad school, and she is 100% financially dependent on me, aside from like student loans. And I cover groceries, I cover her gas, I give her a little bit of spending money, and that way she can just concentrate on school and not have to worry about taking out a bunch of loans to cover her, you know, regular expenses. And her particular program that she's in is physician assistant school, and they do not allow the students to work at all. Like if they get caught working, they are dismissed from the program. And so you know, this time next year, hopefully she will, you know, find a job pretty quickly after graduation, which graduation is in August. I got a little less than a year of giving her this money. And somebody the last time reminded me that my kids are going to be 26 in March and I won't have to cover them on insurance anymore. So that will be, you know, more money I'll have to put in my pocket. So anyway, that's everything for this cash envelope stuffing. Again, this was September 16th through the 22nd. Let me know down in the comments any questions, concerns, or suggestions you might have. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.